Very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukasi. So, let us talk this morning about Mary Mubayiwa Chiwenga. She had her hand amputated, ADAMBURWA Ruoko, and it's so sad. I was in pain the whole day when I heard about that news, when I heard about her hand being amputated. Guys, it's so painful simply because she was denied access to medical health. So the Day Hope here is saying Mary Mubayiwa, the ex-wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, had her hand amputated on Friday in Harare after the Zimbabwean judiciary refused to allow her to seek treatment abroad. Her passport is held by the court as part of her bail conditions. What pains me most in this case is that while Mary Chiwenga was denied access to healthcare, while she was denied an opportunity to go abroad for medical treatment, we've seen ZANU-PF people being given preferential treatment. We've seen people like Justice Mayor Wachikajena, whether he's guilty, whether he will be acquitted, but the issue is that Mary Chiwenga is suffering and has been denied medical care from international experts because, you know, in Zimbabwe, we don't have functional health systems. That is the reason why you see those in the executive, those with money, they always fly outside Zimbabwe to seek medical treatment. And Mary Chiwenga's condition, guys, is so painful. I'm in pain just because I don't want to see anybody suffering. I don't need to agree with anybody for me to feel that Mary Chiwenga is being unjustly treated. It's not so good. It's so bad. Honestly speaking, I believe what they are doing to Mary Chiwenga is so bad. It might happen to any of us. It might happen to you. It might happen to your sister, to your brother, that when they fall out with the system, they might be treated the same way. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. A painful story, a painful event, and this is the kind of Zimbabwe we are living in. There is nothing we can do except to register to vote, except to make sure that in 2023 we don't miss this chance to bring change in the nation of Zimbabwe. Zvaitika asina Ruoko Mary Chiwenga, it's so painful that she is going to live her life now a disabled person. Somebody akanga achitamba kutonga kwaari a few years ago, right now she's now disabled. But this is a message to all ZANU-PF mistresses. You need to know kuti one day vana vanokupandukirai, one day they will do this to you. To all people who are going in bed with ZANU-PF, you have to know kuti one day vanomuka vakapanduka, one day vanomuka vakajamuka, and they will treat you like this. So what do? You have to be on the side of the citizens, because one day you will need these citizens. One day you will seek a help of these citizens. And I know citizens, they are actually praying for Mary Chiwenga. They're in prayers with Mary Chiwenga. I've seen a lot of strong messages, people being in solidarity with Mary Chiwenga. And I believe people just love her, even if there is something but people still love her. That is what I believe, because Zimbabweans are just like that. So this is it in Zimbabwe, so painful. Mary Chiwenga's hand was amputated. But we just wish that she is going to recover. We just wish that she's going to be given access to her kids. Those are the wishes, those are our prayers. So this is it. My name is Ronald. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs. My apologies, I was not available yesterday because of some busy schedules, but I hope that I will be available as we move towards 2023 elections. Let us continue to register to vote. I love you all. Thank you very much for coming.